What's up, guys? Oh, we're working on the installation of my exhaust. All the parts nice and clean. Thanks to Eli for helping out with the installation.
Say we get the installation, then go get some shots. We have to.
Exhaust is off.
Here with my big bro Eli. He just installed the new system for Vando. Any words?
No, pretty easy bolt-on accessories. Good system.
Way better, bro. Send it.
Go get some pho, say in front of me. See you when we get there. I'm doing number 6.
What's going on, boys? Me and Vando at fun. He's got the exhaust installed.
That's good.
We're gonna get some clips for you guys. Make sure Saturday nights are always rowdy, like I say. So we gotta get the recovery.
Fun smacked.
Come on, boys, me and Vando. Smack the pho. Absolutely.